Right, my ladies and gentlemen. Okay, today title is expressing one quantity as a fraction of another. That's the title on the top of your book, please. And then would you please write the date in the top right-hand corner? Then we're ready to begin. Now, the good thing about creating a video is that you can pause this anytime you want. And there are times I'm going to recommend you pause it so you can have a go at the question set. Okay, so let's get going. Now I'm going to underline important information. Here, there are 30 students in a class. 18 of them are male. What fraction of the students are male? So, I have 30 students in my class. That's 30 in total. And 18 are male. So, of the total, which is 30, I have 18 male. That's 18 out of 30, but I know, and you know, we can simplify that. What number goes into 18 and 30? I can divide them both by 2. So half of that is 9 and 9 is 18, and half of that is 15. Oh, I can simplify that further. 9 and 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. They are in the 3 times table. How many 3's in 9? 3. How many 3's in 15? 5. So I now have my answer. 3/5. Let's try another. Write, I've got my highlighter, write £5 as a fraction of 20. Okay, so I want 5 out of 20. Can I simplify them? What times table are they both in? Well, the top one's in the 5 times table, and the second one ends in a 0, so that's in the 5 times table too. So how many 5's? 5, 10, 15, 20. How many 5's in 5? Well, 1 5. And how many 5's in 20? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1/4. Next question. John earns £40. He saves £15, so he saves 15. What fraction does he save? And then I've got another question. What does he spend? What fraction does he spend? Okay, so let's start with the first bit. John earns £40, so the total he has is £40. And he saves 15. 15 is what he saves. What fraction does he save? Well, this is the amount he saves. 15 over 40. But I know I can simplify that. So 15 over 40, what number goes into 15 and 40? 15 ends in a 5 and 40 ends in a 0. Thank you. So they can both be divided by 5. How many 5s in 15? Well, let's write the 5 times table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. How many 5s in 15? 1, 2, 3. And how many 5s in 40? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you very much. So this is how much he saves. Right, but the next bit says, what fraction does he spend? Well, with all his money, he either saves it or spends it. So they must add up to 1. And if we're saying he saves 3/8, we must have 1 whole and take away 3/8 gives us what he's spent. Now, last lesson we talked about 1 whole being 8/8. So 8/8 take away 3/8, 5/8 he spends. Right, ladies and gentlemen, there's some questions for you to have a go. Please pause the video and have a go. The answers you should have had were Now F gets tricky because you need them in the same units. So it would have to be 50p over 300 pence because £3 is 300 pence. Divide by 10, 5 over 30. Divide by 5, 1 over 6. 4 days. 2 weeks is 14 days. 40 minutes, 2 hours, 60. 60 plus 60 is 120. Can divide them both by 10. They're both in the 4 times table. Right, now will you please continue with the Hegarty task? And I'd like you to please do Hegarty task 62. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow in a live lesson. Okay? Bye.